Good morning, fifth graders. This is Miss Marks with your lesson for week 3 of online learning. Coding is becoming difficult for your parents to help you with. I know I always have to help you with it because you guys actually do have thinking issues with yours, meaning we all have to think. So today we're going to do a Legends of Learning. For those of you that may have forgotten because you've been away from your computer for so long, you're going to go to Legends of Learning, which is in your instruction tab. It's on my instruction too. It's wherever your code is usually where your Legends of Learning is. You're going to log in and it's going to take you to your lesson. Now your lesson is programmed to show up when it's programmed to show up. So when you click on Legends of Learning, it's there. You will click on the icon that has my lesson. My lesson is 5.P.10.1, which is on energy. And I'm going to go to my playlist. And that's this one here. It says week 3 work. You know, you have your quiz, your game, and your quiz. We're going to look at that game really quick so that you understand how to do the game. Please take the quiz seriously on both ends. This should not take more than 30 minutes to do, but I know some people will take longer. If you're in the middle of the game, finish the game. If you have to come back to the second quiz, fine, but finish the game because you know sometimes, if you stop in the middle of the game, it's going to send you back to the beginning again. Hopefully you won't have as many issues at home as we had in the classroom, but again, I'm plugged in, so I don't have as many issues. Okay, you start in a random area. Each area is linked to nearby areas. Visit all 12 areas in 20 turns to win the game. If you have a hand of 3 cards, click on an area to see what cards are needed to move. Play one card that matches that area you want to move. If you don't want to move, click on the stay button. Okay, so we're going to click start. And I'm going to pick my character. Okay, so here I am sitting in Asia. I can go to Arctic, I can go to Africa, or I can go to Pacific. Arctic, Africa, or Pacific. I'm going to click Africa, and I'm going to click on this card, and then it gives me a question. The energy of motion is a kind of blank energy. Mechanical, chemical, nuclear, or gravitational? Gravitational. Mechanical. Okay. Missed that one. So now I got to pick another card, I guess. No. You click on where you want to go or stay where you want to get new cards. I can't really go anywhere, so I'm going to click stay. Blank can be moved from place to place by moving objects. Energy. Got that one right. So it's probably going to let me move this time. Pick one card to remove and click the button when ready. Okay. So I have Arctic, Pacific, Arctic, and Atlantic. I have Atlantic, Antarctica, Europe, Arctic. These are probably the areas that they're going to send me to. So Pacific is all the way over there. So I'm going to get rid of that one because that's too far away. So the only one they give me now is Atlantic. So I find the word Atlantic here and match the word Atlantic here. Oh, sorry. I got to click that and then click on the card. All moving objects contain light, energy, acceleration, none of the above. They all can, if they're moving, that's kinetic energy. I'm going to do one more and then I'll let you guys get started. Click one card to remove. Okay, so I look around again. I did Africa, so I don't want to go to Africa again, so that one's not there. Arctic. Okay, I could do Arctic. Arctic. Pacific is so far away. Europe. I'm going to get rid of the Pacific card. Okay, now I can go to Europe or Arctic. Let's try clicking Europe. Click Europe. A marble rolls down a ramp and a book falls to the ground. What do these two situations have in common? They're both using energy. Okay, you guys finished the game. I have 16 turns left. I've only made an error once, so I'm doing pretty good. Finish your game. When you're done with your game, go back and finish your quiz. Have a good week. I will be checking on the results.